Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix, Roblox your account has not been charged problem. So if you haven't yet, you can go ahead and check out if the problem is still ongoing, and if it has, you don't have to do anything else, but if this problem, does occur, that would mean that either you don't have enough currency or the server is in, or there are some services that are currently unoperational. So to check for this, you're going to have to go to Roblox status. So you can go ahead and just search this up on Google, Roblox server status, and open up this first link right here, okay? And here you can see that Roblox has some operational issues right now, like, for example, a partial service disruption. But currently there isn't a problem with the, charging your account. But if there is, then you can go ahead and wait for that. Basically, that's the best thing you can do. Just technically wait and refresh it as much as possible. It gets reloaded every few seconds. So that's your best bet. Keep refreshing it until you see the status as like this right here, okay? When you see it like this, then you're able to go ahead and make your transactions. Otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.